Hi, it's John from the Columbia Green Community College Library, here today with another tutorial on using Primo, the college's online catalog. Today we're going to look at requesting scholarly articles through Primo by using resource sharing. So in our little scenario, let's say that you are looking for articles on one of our databases. Most likely, you'll type in a particular subject matter and you will receive a variety of options. A lot of them you will see will have PDF full text. You'll also see others that may have HTML full text. In those cases, you have immediate access to the articles to print, to download, and to use in your research. However, you may come across an article that is actually really good for the project that you are working on. However, you do not have immediate access for full text. In the case of this article, it says here check for full text. So what happens is if you click on check for full text, these databases are linked automatically into Primo, and they will search around for you to see if they can find the article either in another database or open access on the internet. In this case, this particular article is not available. However, you can still obtain this article through the Columbia Green Library's resource sharing program. In order to do that, the first you will need to sign in to check if there are any request options. So when you click in sign in, what you will do is you will log in utilizing your college email as well as the password that you use to log in for that. If you are having any difficulty with this, please contact the library at reference@sunycgcc.edu and we can get the problem squared away for you. Now once you are logged in, you will see down here how to get it, resource sharing. When you click on that, you will see the resource sharing request come up. It will mention that it's an article, it'll have the title, the journal title, the author, and all of these other items that are filled in automatically. Down here you do have an option for format. You can request a physical copy of the article or you can request a photocopy. However, the default setting here is a digital copy, which means it'll come directly into your email. You do not even need to come into the library. Now at this point, all you need to do is click send request and our staff will get to work. The article will be to you in a matter of days usually. If you have any additional questions on this or if there are difficulties with the delay in getting the article, you can always contact us at reference@sunycgcc.edu. Please be aware that this service is only available for Columbia Green students, faculty, and staff. So we hope you found that this is a very simple little process. Thank you very much for watching.